Hey guys, Daniel here. In this video today, I'm going to share with you how to take notes effectively and always speak for 2 minutes in the IELTS speaking part 2. Let's go. Hello IELTS learners, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'm going to share with you a little bit about how to take notes and always speak for the full 2 minutes in IELTS speaking part 2. So just remember, in IELTS speaking part 2, you'll be given a cue card with a topic and some prompts. You'll have just 1 minute to prepare before you need to speak for 2 minutes. Taking effective notes during this preparation time is essential for organizing your thoughts, remembering key points, and speaking confidently. So let's dive into some strategies to help you master note-taking and speak for the full 2 minutes. Strategy 1. Use keywords and phrases. First, focus on writing down keywords and phrases related to the topic in the question. Don't waste time writing full sentences. Instead, jot down words that will trigger your memory and help you expand on the topic. For example, if the cue card asks you to describe a memorable vacation or holiday, write down words like beach, family, adventures, and relaxation. These keywords will guide your speech and ensure you cover all aspects of the topic. Strategy 2. Organize your notes. So next, organize your notes in a logical order. You can use a simple list, a mind map, or even a table to structure your ideas. This will help you maintain a clear flow during your speech and make it easier for the examiner to follow your thoughts. For instance, you could organize your notes chronologically in order, starting with the planning stage of your vacation and ending with the return home. Strategy 3, include examples and details. To make your speech more engaging and informative, include examples and details in your notes. These can be personal anecdotes, facts, or even hypothetical situations. By adding depth to your speech, you'll demonstrate your language skills and keep the examiner interested. For example, instead of just saying you went to the beach, describe the warm sand, the sound of the waves, and the activities you enjoyed. Strategy 4. Practice paraphrasing. Paraphrasing is a valuable skill for the IELTS speaking test. Practice rephrasing the prompts on the cue cards in your own words. This will help you avoid repeating the same phrases and demonstrate your language proficiency. For example, if the cue card asks, "What did you enjoy most about the vacation?" you could say, "The highlight of my trip was..." Strategy 5. Time management. To ensure you speak for the full 2 minutes, practice time management. Divide your speech into sections, such as introduction, main points, and conclusion. Allocate a specific amount of time for each section and practice speaking within these time limits. This will help you pace yourself and hopefully cover all the points on your cue card. Strategy 6. Use transition words. Transition words and phrases such as firstly, in addition, however, and in conclusion can help you connect your ideas and maintain a smooth flow in your speech. Include these in your notes to remind yourself to use them during your talk. This will not only improve the coherence of your speech, but also showcase your language skills. Strategy 7. Practice, practice, practice. Finally, the key to mastering note-taking and speaking for 2 minutes is practice. Try different note-taking techniques, experiment with various speaking styles, and work on your timing. The more you practice, the more confident and prepared you'll be on the day of your IELTS speaking test. And that's it, IELTS learners. By following these strategies, you'll be well on your way to taking effective notes and speaking confidently for 2 minutes in your IELTS speaking test. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on these skills and watch your speaking abilities soar. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more IELTS tips and knowledge. Good luck, and if you would like help improving your IELTS skills, don't forget to click the link in the description where you can join our exclusive IELTS course, get all the help and support you need from Daniel and Claudia, and also be part of our community. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.